Yo guys, welcome back to another drone fly of One True Legend. Today we are here in Tooting, here in Wandsworth in South West London, and it's a nice sunny day here. So without further ado, let's take off. It might be a bit windy, but isn't as bad. So you can hear the drone's quite loud because it's a bit windy. Like, I checked yesterday, it wasn't really that windy today. I prepared, but then as I got here, I checked out. The wind just picked up a little bit, even though it's not as much. But the main thing is that we get this beautiful sunny day. Like, literally, we haven't got this in a long time. In my last 2 drone flights, one I went to Cannons Park and one I went to Finsbury Park, and both drone flights was cloudy because the weather just changed suddenly. But here I know the weather's just going to stay like this. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to now do a 360-degree photo and just zip around Tooting. All right, 360-degree photo is now complete. What we're going to do now, we're just going to just zip around. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first go this side because that's where the wind's facing. So I'm just going to go toward the wind so that we don't have trouble coming back at the end. So again, towards the wind right now, just you can hear the wind battling the drone. So I might not get as long as a flight time as a result, but you know, at least we're flying today. At least we got a drone flight, you know. So yeah, let's just explore the area of Tooting. So we're just gonna explore this side first. So look at that, we've got. See, I'm now flying in my 27th London borough. So I'm now flying, this is my first drone flight in London borough of Wandsworth. So yeah, I hope I get 32 London boroughs and I can make a montage of every borough that I've flown in. I say it's a really nice day today. Winter sunny day. Except that it's a bit windy. Let's just go up Tooting High Street. So we're near Tooting Beck station. Then we're going to go to the other side, which is Tooting Broadway. Let's explore this side first. Let's just take a look at this area. Let's get a static shot of this junction over here. Let's just get a static shot of Tooting Beck. Nice little shot. Let's do an orbit of this area. Let's go towards down here a little bit. Then what we'll do, we'll just turn back and just get a shot coming down this road. The wind is actually now helping the drone because we're going in headwind, now going in tailwind. And actually the wind has stopped completely now. It's like a gusty winds. It's just a clear road now. We're just gonna go ahead and look ahead. Let's go towards Tooting Broadway. So the sounds you can hear is actually that. So let's just keep going down now to the busy Tooting Broadway station. Really interesting. You can see just people walking down. And look how busy it's down there. And that is the main area down here, Tooting Broadway. Let's get an orbit shot of the main area of Tooting Broadway. Got Sainsbury's down there. Is that Sainsbury's? From a small screen, I believe it's a Sainsbury's, but on the big screen you might be able to see it's something else. But it probably is a Sainsbury's. And then what we'll do, we'll just go a little bit down towards here. See, there's a lot of emergency vehicles going past this road. It's going down there, and we'll just get a reverse shot of going down this area. Look at that. Get an overall shot of Tooting Broadway. Look at that. And you get a whole shot of London. That's actually amazing. Look at that. So what we'll do, we'll just go back down. Let's see what area is down there. So we're not going to go that much further, so we're just going to stay in this area and just literally just go down here. The wind's kind of making the drone move slowly now. Alright, now we're moving fast again now. So it's probably just gusty, innit? The wind's like that. So 1 second is strong wind, 1 second is no wind at all. So it's a good little drone flight. It's like something different, innit? Let's go down here. Let's just see what's in this area down here. It's like a residential area. So there's pretty much nothing special to see, but it looks interesting, isn't it? Just seeing these neighborhoods like having a symmetrical shot. See, look at that. And what we'll do, we'll just come back towards where I am, and we'll actually go to the west side. Look how fast we're moving now, because we're moving in headwind. So the wind just moves in various directions. We're just going to keep going down now. We're just going to go towards... Yeah, I don't know what happened there. It's just the way the gimbal moved. So let's go this side now. Let's go a side you have not seen before. So we're just going to go through the fields, and we're just going to go to the other side. So actually there's a little thing down here. So there's a thingy down here. Let me just show you. Where is it? I can't see it on the camera, but I can see it in real life. So essentially, it's down here. I'll show you right now. It's a bit far actually. I don't want to risk it because my battery's a bit low now, but we'll go a little bit closer. We'll go towards these cranes instead. See what this little area down here? We could have flown from there as well. It's like a little round area. So there's cranes. I just want to get close down shot of the cranes. It looks like there's some construction going on here. Look at that. It's crazy how close we are to the cranes. And then we've got this area down here. We could have flown there as well. Maybe next drone flight we'll fly in this area. There's a little green over here.
Max altitude reached.
Look at that. It looks really nice, this area. Look at that. I never really saw that yet. What we'll do, we'll come back now. We'll get a nice sideways shot of the area. You can hear the drone motors actually whining quite a lot. What I'm gonna land the drone now, so just land it right over here. It's right below me right now. But let's get a shot down here.
Battery level is low. Aircraft.
Let's get like a local shot over here in this area down there.
Low battery. Return.
Look at that.
Promptly.
What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna land the drone, but I've got to bring the drone back on the other side of where I am because it's gonna be hard to see me land the drone. So you can see me, look. Oh, you can see the birds getting shook, look at that. That looks sick, look at that. Oh, that actually looks insane. Alright, you know what, let's bring the drone back now. I'm gonna land it right over here. You see the drone come back to me. Alright, so that is my amazing drone flight here in Tooting in Wandsworth in South West London. I hope you enjoyed this drone video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.